Hey everybody, I want to welcome you out to my newest listing in South Tacoma. I'm going to take you on a little tour today. Thank you for coming along. This is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath house that was built in 1971. It's been totally updated. As you can see, pride of ownership shows. Yard was done the end of last summer, early fall. Totally reseeded, replanted. You can see the manicuring is good here. It's got a garage, but it's not a full garage, so to say. Looking at the roof, you can see the roof was put on the last couple of years, roof and gutters, so very well maintained up there. New windows all around the house. It's got the metal siding, so you don't have to worry about it being something like the plastic vinyl that cracks. As you come in the entryway, you can see we have the laminate flooring all the way through the house, including the bedrooms. And just to give you a little look here, you got your little breakfast bar area with the stools. But to give you a better view of the entryway area, you can see that coming in, really nice floor plan the way it lays out. Very functional. So I'm gonna take you into the bedroom areas, stopping first with the main bath. So the main floor bath, as we pull back and see a little bit, you see we have the tile floors here. Updated lighting. Got all kinds of cabinet space in here. Coming in, you can see from here, tile all the way around into the bathtub itself, all the way down. Very well maintained. You can see the floors are sealed. Nothing needs to be done. They said turnkey home. Wood wrap trim. We've got everything going around, as you see in here as well. Updated lighting. Closet space here. Already pre-wired for the alarm system. Had one in here if that's what you wanted. Continuing down the hall a little bit. Other secondary bedroom. One nice feature I want to point out to you as we look up over here, you can see in the ceiling we got the vents here. All the heater vents are up above. The heater is installed in the furnace is up in the attic area, so that it's nice that you can turn around and basically take and never worry about like having your floors, you know, blocked by something and blocking the heat, because the heat's coming from above. So that does give you more functionality to your rooms if you wanted to turn around and do something. But you know, like I say, once again, very good closet space. Just really nice updated features all the way through. Some of the homes I get over here, you know, they're not wired. So here, as you're looking, you can see we've got all the outlets have the updated grounds in it. Hallway closet, nice and deep. Additional storage if you needed to. Put stuff in here. Give you a nice view down the hallway. You can see, well, just plenty of room to move around. Not very small. Coming into the master, you can see you've got a really large master. Good size. Once again, recessed lighting and stuff like that. Closets are done up a little different. You don't see too many closets that are on the rails like this. You can turn around and see as we come in here that you've got the upper storage up above for shoes, racks, all that stuff. You have additional cabinets built into here. And it's the same way with the other ones. So both sides actually are featured like this, where you've got same thing, upper shelving, room to hang clothes, and more, call it dresser space or lack of if you don't want to use it. Outlets were done by the wall with the USB plugins and stuff like that, but like I said, everything's totally updated. You can turn around, and as you come into the master bath, you're looking and seeing that you've got full tub. The doors in here actually do the same thing, where they actually slide over for privacy, so you do have the privacy door in the bathroom. Get that up there like that. Updated lighting up above. 2 sinks in here as well, and flooring in here done as well. So as you can see, this is definitely a turnkey ready to go home. Pride of ownership showing. And I say price right at under $300,000. Continue into the kitchen area. Large breakfast bar, which is pretty nice. Plenty of space right there. I'm gonna show you the pantry area. So if you had a lot of stuff, pots and pans, it was well thought out to where the shelving is spaced enough to give you quite a bit of room for the pots and pans. More space over there because it also doubles as a utility room. You've got the large water heater over here, never a problem having hot water. And then of course shelving up above, washer and dryer included. The kitchen appliances, you have stove, dishwasher, also has stainless steel refrigerator that are included with this. All these cabinets were put in within the last year, so these were professionally installed. Walking out into the backyard here. As we come out on the deck, as you can see, totally fenced all the way around. It's got a shed that was put in here and that was built in the last couple years. Fresh paint on here. Everything running out like it's supposed to. And I say another view of the roof that just shows you that roof was put in the last couple years, but the roof is in really great condition. And then as we continue around here, you can see the landscaping and all the work that was put in to make the house just really a nice home. And once again, like I said, this is not a flip house. This was a home that they lived in. So pride of ownership, because they did the things that they wanted to live in a home, not something that, you know, a couple coats of paint and let's put it on the market kind of thing. So looking at the house, you can see from here, good sized lot, nicely laid out, quiet neighborhood. So if you have any questions about homes in the South Tacoma area, you can call, text, or email me. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions on this or any others. And I want to thank you guys again for coming with me on my little tour today. And I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.